Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to practical section 4. Right in this module, I'm going to be walking you through some stuff that you need to know. I'm sure you are super excited on how you made massive profit in our previous video on running FCMB and above all running GTB. GTB gave us a massive profit of almost 10,000 naira. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to fund your AFRICARD. AFRICARD is also another card that we run. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through how to fund your AFRICARD and how to run your AFRICARD on MoonPay. All right, so we'll head over to our UBA app. I just want to make this clear to you. You cannot fund your AFRICARD with another bank. Okay, so you must have money in your normal UBA account. Then from your UBA account, then you can fund your AFRICARD. I'm going to show you that in a jiffy right now. So stay with me while I log into my mobile app. If you watched the previous section, I already showed you how an AFRICARD looks like. So the account number is located at the back of the ATM, just close to the code, to the scan area, and below your 3-digit code at the back of the ATM card. Okay, so it's written properly in a black ink. It's a 10-digit code, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It's a 10-digit code. So right now you're going to click on send money, then click on account. Swipe left. You're going to see UBA Prepaid card. So just tap on that, select that, then go down. Then your client's ID is the account number on the back of your ATM card. Okay, at the back of your ATM card is your 10-digit account number written in black ink. So you just enter it as your client's ID, then enter the last 4 digits of your ATM card that you can see in the front of the ATM card. Okay, so I'm going to be hiding these details for security purpose. So once you are done, confirm receiver so that you'll be sure it is your AFRICARD that you are loading. Okay, so you enter in the amount. The amount needed here is 41,700 naira. Okay, so that's the capital you're going to be using to run AFRICARD. Okay, so under the narration, just add your name. Then you can now send the money to your AFRICARD. So you enter your PIN. So that's it. We'll finally transfer 41,700 naira to our AFRICARD, UBA AFRICARD. So on funding your account on AFRICARD, just head over to your Raido Finance app. So in this case, we are going to be buying as usual USDT. So click on buy or sell. Locate the USDT, click on buy or sell. Then in this case now you change to bank cards, then you enter $100 so as to receive 93. So you click on buy. Then you enter in your card details, and like I told you, or if you are using Raido Finance account, you don't have to use someone else's card. You have to run it on your own app. Okay, don't make that mistake of using someone's card to run on your own mobile app, you're going to lose your phone. Alright, so it's one app to one account. So enter all of your details. I'm going to hide in mine for security purpose, but just enter your card details. Okay, the card holder remains the name on the Raido Finance account, so make sure the card matches your name on Raido Finance account. So right now we are going to enter in the OTP as sent from the UBA. That's the next page. Okay, so we are waiting for the OTP to land. Okay, so that's the OTP, so I'm going to copy right away. So I'm going to write that out. Five 22740. So I'll copy that. So we head back to Raido Finance account. So we'll paste our code there and submit. Let's see how lucky we can be this time. Of course, it's super assured. Your profit is on the way. Don't forget, green is our code, it's our color. It's loading up. So that's it, guys. So that's it. So your payment is being processed. So we head back to wallet. Okay, so we check transaction. So that's it. So it's still pending. Okay, it's still pending. So let's hold on a little bit while this transaction processes.